Okay, so all I need to do now is get a point inside the area, and that I already have. Let me think where. Oh, on the room. I think I have one on the room.
Hay una función de Unity, ¿no?
No, it's. I haven't like a rectangle and I need a point inside the rectangle, not a circle.
Okay.
That's why it's different. But I already worked on that, so it's not really. Okay, here it is. So if so what this function does is take an area which has a position, width and height and a rotation, and get a valid point inside that area. Let's go with if area dot type equals to spawner event type circle.
Ahora sí el video que está es... Sí, sí. Thank you.
Okay, I think that we have something we can use. Let me check that we discount. Okay. Let's see if we can make some some lovely dinosaurs appear here and there.
Yay!
Right, I needed to make live enemies. Okay, we have a... Okay, it's working. Somewhere. It's working somewhere. Where are these guys? Oh, they are quite nearby. Okay, I died. I did this so I can check where the enemies are spawning. So I put a debug.break. Okay. I need to check on the restricted areas too. Give me a sec. Okay, so now what I need to do is also know the restricted areas, so I know where not to spawn, because let me just show you for a sec what I'm talking about. At least I call them restricted areas, but when a corridor enters a room, what we have here is an area that should have trees but doesn't. So yes, what I do is add like a restricted area, that's what I call it, where no trees can be spawned. So I need to check that. So let's have a this is for now. No, it's okay, I will need it later on too. Restricted areas. So now for each position that I check on in here, so I have literally zero knowledge about coding programming. All I ever experienced was a little bit of web design and doing stuff on Flash. We know that you need to know math to do what you do, and I wanted to ask, where is the math? Okay, where is the math? Here is the math. For example, if you want to have some math, here we have some cosine and sine, because what I'm doing is these spawn areas are rectangles, but I can rotate them. So what I do is find a point in a rectangle that isn't rotated, and then rotate the point the amount of degrees that the area is rotated. So this is all kind of math stuff. Yeah, something like that. So, I mean, you need to know about rotating points in an axis and all that stuff for this, for example, which is a collision of a point with a rotated